Why you need at least 300 Decentraland coins. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Crypto World channel, where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we would like to let you know that this video is not a piece of financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. Decentraland is an Ethereum-based virtual reality platform where users may develop content or apps and monetize them, among other things. It is powered by the Ethereum blockchain. The platform is similar in appearance to Minecraft, but it offers far more possibilities. It enables anyone to construct their own 3D environments and sell their creations to other users. Users may purchase land in these worlds using the game currency mana, and then construct a variety of structures on their newly acquired grounds. Buildings, parks, hotels, casinos, and a variety of other structures fall within this category. Users have the option of renting out their land to others in addition to selling their works. Recently, Decentraland has been a subject of conversation due to the fact that its value continues to climb. According to CoinMarketCap, the value of Decentraland has increased by 33% in the last 24 hours to $3.29. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency has increased by more than 330% in the last month alone. The Metaverse is a fictitious universe that exists in the mind of the author. Decentraland, often known as the Metaverse, is organized into 90,601 distinct parcels, each of which is represented by an ERC-721 NFT, Network of Trust. It is possible to locate a precise, unchanging point in the metaverse for each individual land, which is exactly 16 by 16 meters, 256 square meters in size. Each parcel is or was for sale, and as a result, it is in the possession of a customer. Although landowners are allowed to develop their properties as they see fit, most of the metaverse is split into about equal-sized districts, each of which has a distinct theme and size. Specific crowd sales for the individual mana tokens were used to establish the districts in question. Individual parcels of land in these areas cannot be traded since they are not a part of a larger whole. Governance. Decentraland is also one of a growing number of initiatives that make governance choices utilizing a decentralized autonomous organizational structure, DAO, which is becoming more popular. Therefore, holders of mana tokens have direct influence over the evolution of Decentraland. By proposing policy changes and voting on details about prospective land auctions, they have the ability to directly impact the content and kinds of objects that are permitted in the metaverse. A free market economy built on its own cryptocurrency. Decentraland is fundamentally a game. It's a multiplayer online environment in which anybody can engage with the place created by Decentraland users. While this is highly fascinating, it does not necessarily emphasize the worth of Decentraland's mana token. However, when considering the implications of virtual land ownership inside the metaverse in a larger context, it becomes clear that there is considerable potential value in owning a portion of the metaverse. Numerous high-profile multi-million-dollar land transactions on Decentraland have shown the value investors perceive in getting in on the ground floor of the next real estate boom. Artists are establishing virtual galleries to sell their non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and artwork. On Decentraland, brands are establishing virtual real estate storefronts. Those seeking a marketplace where buyers and sellers of NFTs may interact face-to-face, through avatars, of course, now have one. Additionally, virtual conferences and concerts occur on Decentraland. This new era of free markets is undoubtedly something to see. Decentraland is one of the most active metaverse locations for user engagement, delivering tangible usefulness and the exchange of tangible currency. As a result, individuals optimistic about the future of digital trade should check out Decentraland. Decentraland is drawing institutional investment on a huge scale. Grayscale established this Decentraland Trust in February. This decision was widely hailed as exotic, considering Grayscale's prior investments in renowned large-cap cryptocurrencies. Having said that, Decentraland has established itself as a significant large-cap cryptocurrency in its own right, ranking in the top 25. Retail investors take attention when huge institutional investors recognize the worth of a certain coin, as if Decentraland needed any extra catalyst. The prospect of greater money flowing into the Metaverse-themed cryptocurrencies bolsters the thesis that Mana is a strong, fundamentally sound currency. Simply stated, Decentraland has established a foothold in the mainstream. On the platform, large transactions are taking place, and large sums of money are entering this sector. For those searching for a long-term Metaverse cryptocurrency, Decentraland is unquestionably making the case as the top platform in this space. The mentioned reasons are basically theoretical. Now let's discuss this depending on the current price of Decentraland and future prediction. The current price of one Decentraland is $3.19. Investing 300 pieces of Decentraland will mean that you have roughly $957. The price is bound to rise, but in case it doesn't and remains constant, you might need a group of 1,045 groups of 300 Decentraland to become a millionaire. Predictions for the Decentraland Mana price for the days of January 4th and 5th. Mana is expected to trade between $3.13 and $3.21 in the next few hours, according to forecasts. Sell is the technical suggestion for the next several hours, according to the forecast. 1 out of the 6 momentum indicators is in the positive direction. 5 out of the 6 indicators are in the negative. This means that the prices are not changing that much. In 2 weeks, on Tuesday, January 18th, Mana to USD forecasts are as follows. A minimum price of $2.56, a maximum price of $2.94, and a final price of $2.75 per coin. Decentraland price forecast for Wednesday, January 19th, a minimum price of $2.65 and a maximum price of $3.05, and a final price of $2.85 per coin at the end of the day. Predictions for the Mana to USD exchange rate for Thursday, January 20th, a minimum price of $2.49 and a high price of $2.87 and an end-of-day price of $2.68 per coin. Decentralized price forecast for Friday, January 21. A minimum price of $2.89, a maximum price of $3.33, and a final price of $3.11 per coin at the conclusion of the day. Predictions for Mana to USD exchange rate for Monday, January 24. A minimum price of $2.89, a high price of $3.33, and an end-of-day price of $3.11 per coin. In 3 weeks, Decentraland price forecast for January 25th. A minimum price of $2.96, a maximum price of $3.40, and a final price of $3.18 per coin at the end of the day. Predictions for the Mana to USD exchange rate for Wednesday, January 26. A minimum price of $2.86, a high price of $3.28, and an end-of-day price of $3.07 per coin. Decentraland price forecast for Thursday, January 27. A minimum price of $2.62, a maximum price of $3.02, and a final price of $2.82 per coin at the end of the day. Predictions for the Mana to USD exchange rate for Friday, January 28. A minimum price of $3.04, a maximum price of $3.50, and an end-of-day price of $3.27 per coin. Decentraland price forecast for Monday, January 31st. A minimum price of $2.94, a maximum price of $3.38, and a final price of $3.16 per coin at the end of the day. In 4 weeks on Tuesday, February 1, Mana to USD forecasts are as follows. A minimum price of $2.74, a high price of $3.16, and an end-of-day price of $2.95 per coin. Decentraland price forecast for Wednesday, February 2nd. A minimum price of $2.97, a maximum price of $3.41, and a final price of $3.19 per coin at the conclusion of the day. Predictions for the mana to USD exchange rate for Thursday, February 3rd. A minimum price of $2.93, a high price of $3.37, and an end-of-day price of $3.15 per coin. A parcel of virtual property on the blockchain-based game Decentraland was sold for over $1 million, setting a new platform record for the most expensive virtual land transaction. Decentraland is a virtual environment in which virtual land is purchased and sold using non-fungible currencies, NFTs. Those transactions go place on a daily basis, but one recent acquisition by investors raised the stakes to a whole new level. The purchase price of $913,228.28 is the most valuable purchase of NFT land in history, and it is more than enough to acquire a few real estate properties in several cities across the world. The NFT, often referred to as a land token, was purchased by the digital real estate investment business Republic Realm, which is based in Singapore. In a virtual environment like a Decentraland, users may display non-traditional art, real estate, and clothing, as well as participate in live events with their friends online on property they have owned. It costs 1.3 million mana, which is the native cryptocurrency of the Decentraland platform, to buy 1 mana at that time. Despite the fact that there have been sales of land for more mana, this deal continues to be the most expensive in terms of cash invested. The purchasers have claimed that they have ambitious intentions for the future of their new investment, and that they are dedicated to the construction and development of the Metaverse in its entirety. In exchange for the investment, you will get a plot of virtual land that is divided into 259 lots, each of which represents around 16 acres of digital land. In terms of sheer scale, this sale is not only the most costly ever on Decentraland, but it is also the biggest in terms of price tag. Decentraland is indicating constant price change, meaning it is stable. That's why it is fair enough to invest at least 300 coins. One might take like 3 to 4 years to become a millionaire using Decentraland. Remember that this is not a financial advice channel. We just give an overview. Before deciding to invest, consult and do extensive research from other financial experts. If you've enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe and share as well.